What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing the last post-credit scene in Spider-Man Far From Home and Nick Fury's true identity in that scene. Do keep in mind this video contains major spoilers for the mid and post-credit scene in Spider-Man Far From Home. But before the video starts, I'd appreciate it if you dropped a like and subscribed. Also tell me in the comments below what you thought about this last scene in particular. With that out of the way, let's jump right into the video. As I discussed in my last video yesterday, there's a mid-credit and post-credit scene in Spider-Man Far From Home. The first one containing Spider-Man and MJ swinging around New York. Spider-Man drops her off to swing off to see the DailyBugle.net with J. Jonah Jameson reporting on the footage Mysterio secretly filmed during the final battle with Spider-Man. J. Jonah Jameson, once again played by J.K. Simmons, looks at Spider-Man as a villain and the one responsible for all the elemental attacks and responsible for the death of Mysterio right before he became the next big superhero the world needed and to fill the void of Iron Man. Peter Parker's secret identity is also leaked by Mysterio. Over the broadcast, J. Jonah Jameson reveals Peter Parker's identity to the world as Peter watches in horror before the credits continue playing. This brings us to the last post-credit scene where it's revealed that Nick Fury and Maria Hill throughout the entirety of Spider-Man Far From Home were Talos and his wife, the Skrulls from Captain Marvel. It's also revealed that Nick Fury and Maria Hill are on vacation in space. When we first see them, they're lounging on a beach. However, it's revealed that they're actually on a Skrull ship in a room simulating a beach on Earth, and the S.H.I.E.L.D. agents are taking a break after the events of the whole Infinity War saga. But it's confirmed now that Secret Invasion is a thing, just not how it played out in the comics, as where in Captain Marvel, the Skrulls are the good guys. But that's the two post-credit scenes in Spider-Man Far From Home, and I can't wait to see how the MCU goes about everyone knowing Peter Parker's identity. Maybe it's a setup to a future Sinister Six team-up in the MCU, which will be really exciting to see as a Spider-Man fan. Anyways, tell me what you thought about the post-credit scenes in the comments below. Please also like this video and subscribe for more Spider-Man and Marvel content / news. We're really close to 1,000 subscribers and I'd like to hit that number by the middle of July. Anyways, thanks again for watching and I'll see you in our next video.